We're installing a battery that's slightly different to the original, but I'll show the main differences with a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Loosen the positive clamp with this nut closest to the positive post. Then there's one bolt down at the base of the battery to remove the hold-down bracket. Now the new battery needs this lip to slide into the slot at the back, and some batteries don't have them, so we use this one recommended by the manufacturer. I'll share some info in a minute. If we compare the height of the old and new battery casings, they're almost identical, but the posts on this one sits about 20 millimeters lower, so installing the positive feels a bit like a squash. But once that's tight, check that the negative terminal can reach, and before connecting it, install the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. We've installed an enhanced flooded battery similar to the original 60 amp hour, which should be in the 450 cranking amps range. Just be sure to get the one with a base mount if you're buying online. There were no warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Even the one-touch windows still work. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.